Hello everyone, this is LOTOSFORMING manufacturer in Wuxi. Today we want to show you the C-post beam for guardrail. We start from coiler. Actually this machine is cassette designed for C-post beam and 2-wave and 3-wave guardrail roll forming machine. This material using for C-beam. You can see the width. This one using for 3 waves guardrail roll forming machine, and this one used for 2 wave guardrail roll forming machine. We produce by one machine by different cassette. You can see this is the cassette. This is the cassette for 2 waves and 3 waves. Now we already take it down to put the C-beam cassette on that. Let me start from the coiler. Here's the hydraulic coil car and the coiler. It's 10 ton. There's the sensor. We install here. You can check. It has some sensor inside. Once it's coming down, it will give a sense to the coiler to stop or moving again. Now we're going to leveling and feeder. You can check. Guide rollers here to adjust the input left and right. Leveling. 9 roller leveling. You can check. As I show you, this is the cassette for guardrail. Now we already take it out and we put the C-beam cassette. Wuxi LOTOS roll forming machine manufacturer. Here is the punching unit. It also has some feeder, servo feeding to adjust the size for punching. By this feeder, by this servo feeding, you can make sure the distance between your punching hole. This is the hydraulic unit, valve, cooling system, electrical cabinet with Siemens, HMI, and PLC unit. This device is connected with this servo motor. Also servo motor we use a Siemens. Now we're going to secondary step. This is the biggest punching. It's almost 400 ton. Capacity. We already take the modes out. The modes is here. You can check. The modes is here for 2 waves and 3 waves. This one make a small hole. We install this modes under that. You can check for this hole. And here is pre-cutting. Pre-cutting before it's going to roll forming machine. You can check. Let me show you the cassette design roll forming machine for 2-wave and 3-wave guardrail and C-post beam. You can check the surface is flat. We don't use any welding here to adjust the different cassette here. Feeder for C-post beam is installed here, but for guardrail this feeder is installed here. You can check the hole. Gears. This gears is connected with the first station for guardrail cassette, but that one is also double. It's connected with the 4th station, the first station for C-beam. Now we already installed C-beam cassette on that. It has some screw, you can check, whole line. This machine capacity is from 2 millimeter to 5 millimeter. So you can check our roller. Also, you can change the space bush here, the spacer bush here. If you want to change the size, you should change it here. Take this one, make it more closed, make it open for different C shape. All station connected with the view. Here I will show you again spacer here. Gearbox, heavy duty gearbox. We use a 2 Siemens motor, powered 13 kW. Yeah, you can check. This roller is going to make a C and angle here by some side roller. You can see inside. Firstly, we make it this angle, two side angle for 90 degrees. Then we start for inside angle. You can see. Yeah, here is the torque head. We already finished the seat forming, and we already here has the torque head installation for adjusting the twisting or non-line shape. By this screw you can adjust the twisting, take it up or going down. You can make the curve straight. And here is C-beam cutting place. Let me show you. It's already finished. Here you can check. This is for 3.0 millimeter thickness. Wuxi LOTOSFORMING machine manufacturer. You can see the C-beam here. It has some hole. Based on your design, we make a hole for your connection. If you have any question, you can send us, or inquiry, you can send us by email. Here the gears, you can check. The last one has double, also the first one has double connection with the up roller and down roller gearbox. Two motor, you can see from here, both demons. Let me show you the electrical cabinet parts. One more time, C-shape. This is our electrical cabinet. We use the diamonds. Mitsubishi drive, Siemens PLC control. Yeah, whole cabinet. And here is other cassette for 2-wave and 3-wave guardrail. Yeah, one cassette here, one cassette in down part. It's using for 2-wave and 3-wave guardrail. So once you want to change it to guardrail, you should open this screw. You should open this screw and move this cassette out and install this cassette. Also, you should change the cutting and punching moves. Just you should change the moves. I will show you the whole view from here again. So if you have any question, you can feel free to contact us by email about Guardrail forming machine, C-beam for guardrail, C-shape, C-purlin. You can check your email wxlotus@gmail.com or website, or follow us on YouTube channel to get a daily video. Thank you for your attention. Bye.